If you suck at locking your slide to the rear on your handgun, here's a little tip for you. I use this 45 caliber Springfield XD to give to my students so that they can learn how to lock the slide to the rear. And the reason I do this is because it has such a heavy spring that it's really difficult for them to manipulate this weapon system unless they figure out exactly where to put their thumb, how to shift their hand, and ultimately how to keep that trigger finger straight. So if you're struggling with it, I recommend that you use a heavy spring weapon system, something like this, so that way it forces you to find exactly how your thumb needs to rest, push, pull back, all that good stuff. And once you get it, you'll be able to get any other gun that's out there. I guarantee it.